That's a tough one. There are a lot of cancer leaders, leaders of cancer centers that are very concerned about the cost of cancer drugs, especially the newer kinds of cancer drugs, which are the targeted therapies, the immunological therapies. And that's a complicated issue. There's not an easy way to fix that because we want to use drugs that work. We want to use new drugs that work. Care paths help. So we're very evidence-based when we construct our treatment algorithms, and we have shown, as an example in lung cancer, if we don't use a newer drug that really hasn't shown much efficacy in lung cancer, we can drive tens of thousands of dollars out of the cost of the care of a given lung cancer patient. But in general, every leader of cancer centers and every member of the cancer community who looks at value-based care is very concerned about the cost of newer cancer agents. There is no easy answer to that right now. Clearly there are market forces at work here. I think that the one strategy that has to evolve is this. I think that the healthcare continuum has to learn how to work together better. So I think that the providers, us, the Cleveland Clinic, the payers, all the insurance companies, and the pharmaceutical industry need to figure out how, instead of being three separate, very large silos, to work together so that everybody wins, so that pharmaceutical companies appropriately say that they sponsor a lot of research, and a lot of their research does not yield fruitful results. And so therefore the way they price their drugs has to reflect that, and they're right. It's just a matter of the degrees. 10 years ago, the cost of a new cancer drug for a course of therapy was $10,000. Today it's closer to $150,000. And the concern is obvious. Is 10 years from now, is it going to be $1 million? That's not a sustainable model. So rather than having us kind of get in a ring and do battle, I think that somehow we've got to figure out how to work collaboratively.